Louie, come on! Get out of the way! All this to get a beer.
Hey, there, I'm stuck in a pothole.
Oh my god, I can't breathe. This is too funny. Louie, watch out, he's gonna hit you.
Yeah. Damn, veteran.
Got it on.
Well, his man with his knees going like this, I can't get a shot.
Both. Hit it far away from Mike.
Just like, she's the fat girl. There you go.
He really wants that beer.
Wait.
Wow. Come on, Bo.
Come on, baby.
Hit it harder.
I'm trying.
Not you.
Fuck, I'm in a rut.
There you go, Bob. That was a good one. There you go.
Come on, almost past the cone.
I'm stuck, dude. What's the damn thing?
Rick's catching up quick.
I'm stuck. My shit is stuck. Hey, he's holding it. You're swinging with your hand. No, you're allowed to hold it right here. I tell you. You're going like this. You're going, woo. No, oh, shit.
Oh my god, Ricky's about to win.
Look at this. I'm stuck in a fucking hole.
Hit it harder. Don't hit it backwards. Oh my god, Bo's about to win. Bo wins. Oh wait, no.
Actually, Rick already got it.
They all got it around the same time.
Dude, I'm stuck in a fucking first. Hole. Well, I guess both beat. Fill in that bill hole.
You guys were all at the line exactly the same time.
Yeah, I'm going across the wind.
All for a beer.